Dating Caribbean men be like. Hello?
Crystal Wagwan and Mikey, you know.
Hi, Mikey.
Yeah, man. So tell me something now. When you come to Jamaica?
Not really sure when. I'm not sure when I'm coming to Jamaica, Mikey.
Because you can't keep bad man waiting forever, you know.
Okay.
So tell me something. What's your favorite position?
Position? What do you mean by position? I don't know what you mean by position.
Because right now, me want to make you swing past tree like a monkey when you come out here, so.
Hey girl, can I get your number? I can't hear you. Huh? I said I can't hear you. You're going to put your mask down.
Why you calling my phone, right? Just like the other people them and I talk foolishness.
So what you going like that pan bad man for? Hey girl, you know it's a long time me watch you on Instagram. And the one we then call Pete Book or a Facebook name. Just send on the thing for me when you come out here, man. Cause you don't know say you single and me single, so whole heap of singleness I go on there, so. Yeah.
I haven't got time to talk about that right now, Mikey. So I'll talk to you another time, yeah? Dating British men be like. Hello?
Hey kid pie. How's things?
Hi, Tom. What's up?
You know I'm gonna be in the neck of your wood next week.
Really?
Do you wanna meet up for a treat?
Yeah, well, we can meet up at Five Guys. That's one of my favorite places.
Five Guys? I know that's your favorite place. Okay. I'll see you next week then.
Next week?
Meet me outside Five Guys and we'll just take it from there.
And I'll see you next week. Bye.